There you go.
Yeah.
Come down off the ground and leave that body alone. Somebody must change. You are the reason I've been waiting so long. Somebody has to keep. Still I'm and I just ain't got time. And I'm wasted and can't find my way home. Come down off the throne and leave your body alone. Somebody must change. You are the reason I've been waiting all these years. Somebody must keep. But I nearly end and I still ain't got time. Wasted time, can't find my way home. And I ain't done nothing wrong, and I can't find my way home. Can't find my way home.
Thank you, I love that song. I actually love Steve Winwood, and I love Huey Lewis, and I love all those guys. Alright, we got one more for you guys. Thank you for hanging out with us tonight. We are Holly and Tom on Holly and Tom. Alright, we're gonna repeat material. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
When night has come and the land is dark and the moonlight is the only light we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. by me. If the sky will look upon
You gotta run your mouth.
should crumble and fall, and the mountain should crumble to the sea. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, just stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me.
Yeah! I think I'm the only one that wants to go run in that right now. Thanks you guys for having us tonight. We're Holly and Tom. I'm Holly and Tom. Thank you for all of this. This is really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Oh yeah, we should get that shit out of here.